The virus has spread beyond China. It is not a new disease, it is not a new virus, yet the world is nervous.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome to Bishara TV channel. Yes, I am Zulfikar with a new and very interesting topic that people are moving to skipping out. So my beloved friends, imagine a world where people will be begging just for a single drop of vaccine. No guarantee it will harm you. No guarantee it will harm your society. That's nothing, my friends. It's another horror of virus, HIV virus of China. Let's know about this. Many hospitals are saying you have been overwhelmed. There are crowd of people in hospitals. The biggest fear among people now is whether the will turn into the COVID-19. The novel coronavirus are spread globally 5 years ago organized in China. The global time some areas of North China. The greatest number of cases of this virus are being seen in these cities. The virus is called HMP, human metapneumovirus. The first thing that people think of when they hear about this is now dangerous way. This is V. What even is this new virus? But the thing is, friend, this is not a new virus. This virus was discovered COVID-19. Recent cases in India, first cases in 2025. Two infants in Bangalore, Karnataka were the first to be diagnosed with HMPV in January 2025. Although the situation is under control, this measure can help protect vulnerable groups like children or elders. Human metapneumovirus is an important case of respiratory infection of often present similarly of their viral illnesses. HMPV was first discovered in 2001 by scientists. It was found in the United States and since then it has been seen all over the world. The virus is part of a group called Pneumococci, which also include their virus-like the one of that causes cancer. HMPV is the most common during the winter months and usually spread in places where people are close to each other. HMPV is a virus that makes people feel sick, kind of like a cold or a flu. Gives you a cough, fever, stuffy nose or sore throat. For most people, it's not serious and gets better by itself. But for babies, older people of those with weak health, it can cause more serious problems like November 2024. China saw a large number of HMPV cases. This made people alright, but health experts say this is normal for winter. HMPV spreads more during cold season just like other viruses. HMPV spreads more during cold season just like other viruses. It is not a new pandemic. Here's the good news. Preventing HMPV is simple. Wash your hand regularly, wear a mask in crowded place and avoid close contact with anyone who sick. For those infected, treatment focuses on managing symptoms like staying hydrated and resetting. It is not something to panic about, but it always good to stay informed by taking simple steps. We can keep ourselves and others healthy. Stay safe and thank you for watching.